What is Romeo Juliet clause? Recently, on 9 January 2026, the Honorable Supreme Court of India, in a landmark judgment of State of UP versus Anirudh and another, urged the Union government to consider introducing Romeo Juliet clause to the POXO Act to exempt genuine consensual adolescent relationships from criminal prosecution. तो आखिर है क्या ये रोमियो जूलियट क्लॉज? इसका पर्पस क्या है? बेसिकली ये एक ऐसा लीगल प्रोविजन है जो दो एडolescents जिनके बीच में एज गैप बहुत कम है और कोई कंसेंशुअल रिलेशनशिप है, तो उसको वो क्रिमिनल प्रोसिक्यूशन से एग्जेम्प्ट करता है while still protecting from the abuse and exploitation. Let's understand the facts of the case. जलाउड डिस्ट्रिक्ट में एक एफआईआर रजिस्टर होती है एलिजिंग किडनैपिंग अंडर सेक्शन 363 ऑफ आईपीसी एंड सेक्सुअल असॉल्ट ऑफ माइनर अंडर द प्रोटेक्शन ऑफ चिल्ड्रन फ्रॉम सेक्सुअल ऑफेंसेस एक्ट सेक्शन 357 एंड 8. ट्रायल कोर्ट में बेल के लिए फाइल किया जाता है बट बेल वहां डिनाई हो जाती है. लेटर इन अप्रैल 2024, ड्यूरिंग द बेल हियरिंग बिफोर द Allahabad High Court, the court directed the chief medical officer to form a medical board to determine the age of the victim because of the inconsistencies in the age records, which were schools and statements of the victim, on the basis of which the court granted interim relief to the accused, which was later confirmed by the High Court. And at the same time, the High Court also issued broad directions mandating the medical age determination tests in all the POXO cases at the very outset of the investigations. State of Uttar Pradesh filed their special leave petitions before the Supreme Court challenging the court's bail order and the mandatory directions which were issued by the High Court mandating the medical age determination tests. The Supreme Court upheld the bail but set aside the High Court's sweeping directions on the mandatory medical tests, holding that age determination is a trial stage issue and not to be conclusively decided during the bail hearing. बेसिकली सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने ये कहा कि आप डायरेक्टली एज डिटर्मिनेशन टेस्ट के लिए नहीं जा सकते. अ प्रोसीजर हैज टू बी फॉलोड. You will check the mark sheet of 10th class. If that is not available, you will check the birth certificate that is issued by the municipality. If birth certificate is also not available, then you will go for the ossification test, which is basically the analysis of bones to determine the age of the person concerned. Supreme Court also took note of the repeated misuse of the POXO Act, which basically results in grave consequences for the accused, even for the alleged victim and the families, which is often driven by the parental or societal disapproval. Therefore, the Supreme Court urged the Union government to consider adding the Romeo Juliet clause to the POXO Act to prevent the misuse while still protecting against the abuse and exploitation. What do you think? Should the Romeo Juliet clause be added to the POXO Act? Comment below.